What's up, guys? We're getting ready to board. I mean, we're already boarded. We're getting ready to take off soon. Go to San Diego. And then from there, we'll be waiting there for like 4 hours until it's time to get on the boat. And we're landing. Alright, guys. We have too much luggage. This thing is heavy.
Well, yeah, we're all upset.
Yeah, it's too much. But we're gonna go wait. It's like 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And we still have a couple hours. Oh, NCL! We are on the Pearl, baby. The Pearl. Let's go see what's over here. It looks like soccer. We're gonna be on here for 4 days, and we were gonna go to Cabo, but now we're going to Ensenada. Should be fun.
On the cruise ship, you get to see beautiful art. Beautiful, beautiful art. And a casino. On the cruise ship, we get to see everything. What is that? Stairs.
What's up, guys? We made it to Mexico. There's our Norwegian Pearl, and we are in Mexico. Woo! And we're about to go get some shots. Drunk. We're getting ready for the party. We're eating right now. We're gearing up.
Look at that sunset though.
I know. What's up, guys? We wouldn't be living our best life if we didn't go work out in the gym. She already went once. I didn't get to go. I need to go. I'm still kind of hungover, but I'll be okay. All right. This is breakfast. Out with my love. We get to eat looking out at the water. We missed the sunrise, but there it is. This is the last day of the cruise. It's a little bit quieter. It's 9 a.m.
Everybody's still asleep.
Everybody's still asleep. And then later on, I'm sure they're going to party again. We probably won't be partying, but we'll be hanging out for sure.
Let's get the party.